students at Castleberry ISD have a unique opportunity to participate in a Teen Video Fest 2020. We're going to share the contest rules and guidelines.
Failure to adhere to any contest rule may result in disqualification from the contest or forfeiture of prizes and awards.
The purpose of this is to give teens who are 13 to 18 and who are Tarrant County residents the opportunity to make a positive difference in the lives of others.
Who can participate? Well, middle school or high school students of Tarrant County, 13 to 18 years old. Current school enrollment is required in a school district that includes any portion of Tarrant County.
The contestants may submit a total of 2 entries as an individual, group, or both. For an example, a contestant may submit a video that features his or herself. They may submit a video under his or her name only, but includes classmates in the video. A group may submit a video that features one or more group members, or an individual or group submits a video without people, such as an animation, a collage, or pictures or series of words.
Each individual must have an adult sponsor who is affiliated with the school or organization that is sponsoring the student.
For those submitting 2 videos, they must be in 2 different categories. For instance, one video could be submitted in the vaping category and the second video in the consequences of sex category.
Videos must be, number 1, entered in one of the following categories: human trafficking, mental health, vaping, and or consequences of sex. Number 2, focus on prevention or solution to the clearly stated topic while presenting the best options and providing helpful resource information, including related statistics wherever possible. Written, filmed, and edited solely by the contestant or group for this contest, and must be between 30 seconds and 4 minutes with appropriate labeling, including the categories of title and length of video at the beginning of the video or be disqualified. Credits at the end of the video are optional. Also, submitted in the following video formats only: MP3, MP4. Static PowerPoint presentations will be disqualified. Also, all videos must have the TCPH ending slate prior to submission. TCPH reserves the right to condense or combine categories or to shift videos between categories.
According to the law, if you use more than 30 seconds of music, you must obtain all necessary releases and meet all legal requirements.
And if you want a chance to be on TV, use original music. TV stations must seek their own releases from artists. Winners are more likely to be featured on TV if original music is used. For instance, David Coate, Josh Weathers, Luke Wade, John Nitzinger, Ian Moore, Hunter Hendrickson, and Chris Watson are some original music musicians. I most likely can obtain permission for you to use their songs at no charge. Keep strictly to the 30 seconds to 4 minutes time restriction, though.
Once received, the submissions and their contents become the sole property of TCPH and may be used for any purpose and in any manner by TCPH. Duplication of a part or all of the video without expressed permission is prohibited.
Contest deadlines and submission instructions to follow.
Forms and videos must be received by 5 p.m. on Friday, February 28th at the location of Packet Pickup. Byther will deliver the submissions to Tarrant County Public Health.
You must return in the following: completed and signed. Keep a copy for your records. The registration form for all participants, even if participant is a teen. Consent forms for all participants, even if participant is in a team. Talent release forms for each actor or actress and extras in the video. Videos on the USB provided by Teen Video Fest or from your own USB. Music releases obtained for the use of any copyrighted music or original music. TCPH reserves the right to review releases at any time.
Judging.
4 rounds of judging in each of the video categories: human trafficking, mental health, vaping, and the consequences of sex.
Judging. In round 1, judging will be performed by Teen Video Fest Contest Administration. In round 2, judging will be performed by Tarrant County Public Health subject matter experts. In round 3, judging will be performed by a broad range of distinguished subject matter experts in the community to determine top 3 finalists in each category. For round 4, a grand prize winner judging will be performed by a highly recognized community stakeholder. The first place videos in each category will be judged to determine the grand prize winner.
Judging standard, videos will be judged according to 3 elements. First one, message design, or how well the issue is presented and the solution or response demonstrated. Number 2, creative elements, including the quality of writing, originality, visual imagery, and artistic use of medium. And number 3, production elements, including camera work, lighting, audio, and talent.
3 judging elements breakdown. Number 1, message design element evaluates purpose, design strategy, and treatment.
Judging, and the purpose of the judging is, does the video succeed in relaying a relevant teen health or safety message? Number 2, how powerful is the video's message in terms of influencing future teen decisions or behaviors? And number 3, does the video incorporate one or more of the designated development assets?
Judging in the design strategy. Does the video attract the attention of the teenage audience? How well does it define the problem or risks, discuss consequences, and provide solutions and resources from a teen's perspective?
Judging treatment. Is the treatment of the subject matter effective? Do the most critical messages stand out? And number 3, does the video encourage positive prevention practices?
3 judging elements breakdown. Number 2, creative element evaluates writing, originality, visual imagery, and artistic use of medium.
Judging the writing. 1, is the script clear and understandable? Number 2, is the language appropriate for the subject matter and intended teen audience? And number 3, is the information accurate and relevant? Note to that, use of inappropriate language will result in disqualification.
Judging originality. How original is the idea? How original is the delivery? How well does the video combine idea, script, and setting to achieve its purpose?
In the judging, visual imagery is important. Number 1, how well does the visual presentation support the overall message? And number 2, are graphics effective and appropriate?
In the judging and the artistic use of medium, the focus is, did any of the following optional elements support the overall purpose of the video: music selection, graphic design, animation, special effects, lighting design, talent selection? Taking into account the target audience, how well do these elements add to the video's message and overall effectiveness?
3 judging elements breakdown. Number 3, production element evaluates camera work, lighting, audio quality, and talent.
Judging camera work. Were camera angles appropriate and non-distracting?
Judging the lighting. Did lighting contribute to the overall effectiveness? And was lighting appropriate and non-distracting?
Judging audio quality. Was there distortion? Could talent be heard and understood? Was there appropriate balance between level of music, narration, and effects? If used, were sound effects or music effective and appropriate?
Judging talent. Did actors' performances contribute to the video's effectiveness? And were they believable and realistic?
Need ideas?
Here's a tip. Don't forget to talk about teen statistics and solutions to your chosen topic or topics.
Ideas on human trafficking. What are the types of human trafficking? What are the ways that a teenager is recruited into human trafficking? Is being taken the only way to be placed into human trafficking? How many youth, boys and or girls are trafficked a year? What does a human trafficker look like? Is there a law that protects human trafficking victims? What are some ways that a teenager can prevent from being a victim of human trafficking?
Ideas on mental health. Number 1, what are the mental health issues? Number 2, as a teen, what are some things that are difficult for you to speak about? Number 3, what type of help would you like to see? Number 4, how many teenagers are affected by mental health issues? Number 5, what does taking care of your mental health look like? Number 6, what are some things that teenagers can do to improve their mental health? And number 7, who can a teenager call for help?
Ideas on vaping. Is vaping safe or safer than traditional cigarettes or hookah smoking? Does all vape juice contain nicotine? If it doesn't have nicotine, what are other ingredients are used and is it considered safe? Where do teenagers go to get vaping devices? How can devices be hidden? What effects does nicotine have on a teenager's brain? What happens to vaping smoke when you inhale it? Does it only go into your lungs? What are some techniques a teenager can use when being pressured to vape by friends?
Ideas on the consequences of sex. What do sexual health risks mean to you? And what are the different ways to have sex that can lead to health risks? What are the risks of having sex? Mentally? Physically? Do all sexual health risks have signs and symptoms? How do sexual health risks affect teenagers?
Ideas for websites.
Are you interested? Write your name on an index card.